And welcome to Math Albatross today. Today we want to learn how to find determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, all right. So let's start. Okay, see the question. If matrix A defined as row 1, you have 3 minus 4, 2, row 2 like this. You have 1, 5 minus 3. Row 3, you have minus 2, 3, and 1. Now, then I said, if you have this as matrix A, what are you meant to do? Find this thing here means determinant of matrix A. If you write two vertical line and put B inside, it means determinant of B. All right, so this means determinant of A. All right, so let's do that. Let's do that. Try and go along. All right, so we want to find determinant of this. Now we're going to say solution. All right, now determinant of A written like this is equal to, now any row or column can be used to find determinant of the matrix. All right, but for the sake of this video, in this video, let's use row 1, element in row 1. Now is the whole of this element in row 1 like this. The whole of this element in row 1. Let's use it to find the determinant. All right, so what are the elements we have in that 3? We're going to have the first element is 3. Write 3, draw a vertical line this way. Next element is what? Is minus 4. Write it and draw a vertical line like this. Next element is what? Is 2. So 2 is something that, okay, write 2 first and draw vertical lines like this. All right, draw vertical lines like this for that. Now, after you have, just like I said before, any row or column can be used to find the determinant of the matrix, and the answer will be the same. Okay, now let's look at this. Now, in this row 1, the position where 3 is standing, the position of this place is actually plus. The position of 3 in this place is plus. Position of this one is minus. The position of 4, where 4 is standing, is actually minus. And the position of 3, of 2, where it is standing, is actually plus. So plus, minus, plus. Now, how did I get the idea of that plus, minus, plus? Please look here. How did I get the idea of plus, minus, plus? See, let's say matrix A. Write it this way. If you write A11, A12, A13, that's element in row 1. If you represent it with what you have here. If you represent it with what you have in that place. And then element in row 2, you have A21. Since you are talking about row 2, it will start with 2 before 1. A22, A23. Here you have A32, 31 rather. A31, A32, and A33. Please, it's not A11. It means, this first one means first row, first column. First row. This first one here, it stands for row. The second one stands for column. So how did I get the sign of plus, minus, plus? See, if you add this row and column together, like if you add 1 plus 1 together, you're going to get 2. So because 2 is an even number, it means that the position of this place is positive. If you come to this place, 1 plus 2 here is 3. And 3 is an odd number. So it means that the position of this place is negative. Now, if you come over here, 1 plus 3 is 4. And then 4 is an even number because of that, right? Plus. You can get a sign for all the other ones by doing the same thing I just did now. Like, here, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 is an odd number. So here, the position of this place is minus. Here, 2 and 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is even. Position of this place is plus. This is minus, and then you can finish it off. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So just like I said before, any row or column can be used to find the determinant of the matrix, and it will work if you do it well. Now, so let's go back now so that you now understand why I gave the position of this place. Why I gave that first element in that place, why I gave it plus, and I gave this other one minus, and this other one plus also, is because of this thing I just did now. I believe it's clear, right? All right, thank you. Keep following so that we can enjoy the lesson together. All right, so let me take away this. It's not part of our work. I only did that to show you how I got the sign. All right, now let's, okay. All right, now when you have done this way, remember the position of 3, I say is plus that time. So you may or may not write the plus. All right, or maybe put a plus at the front of the 3. Now here, the position of 4 is minus. So the position where 4 is occupying here in this place is minus. So put minus before 4 has its own minus also. All right. Now the position of 2 is positive. So here is a positive 2. Now when you are done, what should you now do? See what you do next. See what you do next. Now after you are done with this, see what you do next. When you are done with this, see what you do next. Okay? Now, all right. Now, for you to get the elements you are going to put here in this first place, see what you do. Now, block the row that leads to 3, and the row and column leading to 3. This place is leading to 3. Block this place. This place, column, is leading to 3. Block it. This remaining element, collect it and fix them here. So if you do that, you're going to have 5 minus 3. We have 3, 1. Now, when you are done with that, for you to get the element that I will come over here, you now block the row and column leading to, this time around, block the row and column leading to the next number, which is what? The row and column leading to minus 4. Block them. Alright, so you still block this same place because it will lead you to 4. To minus 4 rather, and then block this other column this time around that will lead you to 4. So what you now have left, what do you have left? 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3. After that, you now have minus 2 and then 1 this way. I hope you are following. All right. Now, for you to do the last one, see what you do. Now, since you are now looking at minus 2, sorry, 2 rather, the last one, block the row and column leading to that place where 2 is standing. All right. So block the row and the column leading to where 2 is standing. Cancel the row and column. So now have 1, 5, 1, 5, and then minus 2 and what? Minus 2. Minus 2 and then 3. Minus 2 and then 3. 3. All right, so now you can now go ahead because you have reduced a 3 by 3 matrix now to a 2 by 2 matrix. So you can now go ahead and find the determinant very easily. How do you do that? Now, this plus 3 is an ordinary 3. Put normal bracket this time. Multiply this way. So 5 times 1, you're going to get 5. Put minus sign. Now, multiply 3 times minus 3, you're going to get minus 9. Fix it like this, then close the bigger bracket. Now here, minus times minus 4 will give you plus 4. Write it like this. Open another bracket. Okay, so we have done this like this also. Now multiply left to right first. Left to right. So 1 times 1 is 1 minus. Now, negative 3 multiplied by negative 2 this way. Negative 3 times negative 2, you're going to get 6. Alright, so it will be this one minus the product of this one, so this. Alright, when you come over here, you have 2 into, multiply this way, 1 times 3, you're going to get 3. Put your minus, then negative 2, or let's say 5 multiplied by negative 2. You're going to get negative 10. Close the bigger bracket. Now, when you come over here, it will now become 3 into, so you're going to have 5 minus times the other minus to give you plus, 9 will come out. So over here you have 4 into 1 minus 6, you get negative 5, then plus 2 into, this is 3, minus multiplied by the other minus this side is plus, 10 will come out. Now let's be fast now. 3 into, let's go. So 5 plus 9, you're going to get a 14. So you have 14, and then plus, no. So plus 4 multiplied by minus 5 will give you minus 20. Okay? Then plus 2 into, if you add up these two of them, the two of them, you get 13. Okay? Now, if you multiply this by this one, you are going to get 5 times, you have 12 multiplied by 3. So this is, you are going to have, you're going to have 14 multiplied by 3 actually. So 3 times 4 is 12, carry 1. Then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, you have 4. So you have 42. 3 times 14, you have 42 here. Then here, minus 20. Then if you multiply 2 times 13, you're going to get 26. Okay? You're going to get 26. All right. So we have 26. Now add this. 42 take away 20, you have 22 plus 26. Okay, so 22 and 26 will give you 48. Yes, it will give you 48. You have 2, 2, 2, 6. So this is 8 and this is what? 4. So we are going to get a 48. So we are going to say that therefore determinant of A is actually 48. So the job is now done. All right, so this is how we find determinant of a matrix, a 3 by 3 matrix. You can use this method to reduce it to a 2 by 2 matrix first before you now do diagonal multiplication from the main diagonal, then the other ordinary diagonal, you subtract and then you carry on. Let me give you something to do. Please ensure you do it and put the answer in the comment section. Let's have that. All right, so this is a classwork for you. Please do it and please the answer in the comment section. Please do well to like, to share, and to subscribe. Please tell somebody about Math Al Baswa.